This video series will show you the pre-installation steps for the Word Clouds software. However, any software you purchase from Mad Hat Marketing follows the same installation, licensing and troubleshooting steps. Our software tools are programmed to work natively in Windows 7 and up versions or a Windows emulator or VPS, also known as a virtual private server, such as an Amazon AWS or any cheap private Windows VPS service provider. And it can also work in a virtual machine such as a VirtualBox. To be able to run the software successfully, you also require the latest .NET framework and Microsoft Redistributable framework. All our software tools cannot run directly on Mac without using Mac parallels such as Wine Bottler, which allows to run Windows-based programs on a Mac. But if you are looking for cheaper alternatives for a Mac, then you may want to see the video of how to install VirtualBox for free, or see the video of how to get a cheap Windows VPS to install the software. Before you install the software and enter your license keys, you must follow these pre-installation steps, which we have added as a series of individual videos.